thinking of flying a drone in Gran Canaria, there are some strict rules you have to follow and abide by. 7 in total. They are as follows. Number 1. Your drone must weigh less than 10 kilograms. Number 2. You have to stay below 120 meters in altitude. Number 3. Your drone has to stay in visual range at a maximum of 100 meters. Number 4. You are at least 15 kilometers away from any airfield. 5. You only fly your drone under the best weather conditions and never at night. 6. You can't fly above populated areas and any place where people stroll around. 7. Only fly your drone in approved unpopulated areas. Those are the 7 rules that you must follow when flying the drone in Gran Canaria. Now, don't get me wrong, you could argue that all those rules are common sense. And my understanding is the penalties, if you don't follow those rules, are fines, substantial fines, and even imprisonment. This is based on my research. Rules change. This is what they are as of when I'm filming now. So enjoy the walks, enjoy the hikes, and enjoy the drone flying.